Hi, I'm Meg from Tokyo. In this video, I will share with you how to purchase, use, and return a Suica card,
a transportation IC card that offers many conveniences compared to regular tickets. Using a transportation card saves time because you don't have to stand in long lines to buy tickets each time. It lets you pass through the ticket gates quickly and smoothly. Suica can also be used as electronic money not only for trains and buses but also for payment at convenience stores and vending machines. Additionally, fares are discounted in some areas, making Suica an efficient and comfortable means of transportation for many people. While this video focuses on Suica, there are various other IC cards available. For example, mobile Suica can be used with smartphones and offers the same functions as a regular Suica card, making it highly convenient. However, mobile Suica has some disadvantages such as being available only in English on iPhones and requiring a Japanese financial institution account for refunds. Therefore, a physical Suica card is often the easiest option, especially for many foreign tourists.
Before we get into the main topic, let me share with you something. We are offering private tours in Tokyo. If you're interested, please contact me through the link below. Okay, then let's go.
Number 1. How to buy Suica. Before we get into the purchasing process, there is a common question we often get from viewers. I have a Suica that I purchased in Japan a long time ago. Can I still use it? The answer is yes, as long as it has been used within the last 10 years. Conversely, Suicas that have been inactive for more than 10 years cannot be used. If you're arriving at Kansai International Airport, I think you should purchase an Suica card at the airport instead of a Suica.
There are two main ways to purchase a new Suica.
The first is to buy it at JR ticket counters known as Midori no Madoguchi in Japan. Midori no Madoguchi windows are usually located near the ticket gates of major stations such as Shibuya, Shinjuku, Akihabara, Ikebukuro, Shinagawa, Ueno, and Tokyo Station. You can also search for JR ticket office near me after arriving in Japan to find the nearest ticket office. At the Midori no Madoguchi counter, you can register your name, date of birth, gender, and other personal information to create a Suica card. When creating a Suica card, you must pay a minimum of 1,000 yen, either in cash or by credit card. Out of this amount, 500 yen is a deposit. You can only get this 500 yen back when you return the Suica card. The advantage of using the Midori no Madoguchi is the station staff will handle the purchasing procedure directly, which can offer peace of mind. However, the disadvantage is that the counter is often crowded. Therefore, the second recommended method is to purchase a Suica using a multifunctional ticket vending machine. In Tokyo, most JR-operated stations have these machines. In addition, they are often located next to the Midori no Madoguchi ticket window. The purchase process is the same as the Midori no Madoguchi, but you will need to complete all the steps yourself at the machine. Let's go over the specific procedures. First, change the language setting to English. Next, press Purchase New Suica on the screen. Then, click on Name Inscribed Suica. Agree to the privacy policy and proceed to the next screen. From here, enter your name and confirm it. And select your gender. Next, enter your birthday and confirm them. Some ticket machines also require to enter your phone number. Many people watching this video may not have a Japanese phone number, but you should be able to register your number followed by your 10 or 11-digit phone number. If the registration doesn't work, it's better to issue the card at the Midori no Madoguchi JR counter at the station. Registering your phone number is required because it's necessary to reissue your Suica in case you lose it. Finally, check that the information you've entered is correct and select the amount to charge. Now I charged 1,000 yen. After a short wait, your new Suica will be issued. That's it, your journey in Japan is about to start. If you find that the Midori no Madoguchi is crowded, I think you should purchase your Suica at the nearby multifunction ticket vending machine. Number 2. How to use Suica. Once you have successfully obtained your Suica, let's start using it. You can pass through the ticket gates with a simple touch and go. Don't forget to use your Suica when you board the train and again when you exit. The great thing about Suica is that it can be used not only on trains but also at convenience stores and vending machines, as I mentioned before. However, as you use it, your balance will eventually run out. Next, I will explain how to recharge your balance. Number 3. How to charge Suica. There are several easy ways to recharge your Suica card. The first is to go to a convenience store such as 7-Eleven, Lawson, and Family Mart and tell the clerk at the register that you want to recharge it. The minimum charge amount is 1,000 yen and only cash is accepted. The second method is to recharge at an automatic ticket vending machine located near the ticket gate of a JR station. First, switch the screen to English. Then, select the charge option and insert your Suica. At some stations, instead of inserting your Suica, you may place it in a special area designated for recharging. After that, select the amount you wish to charge and you're done. In most cases, foreign tourists can only recharge using cash. Credit cards may be accepted in some places, but it's best to assume that cash is required. At the end of the process, you will receive your recharged Suica, so be careful not to forget to take it. Number 4. Available areas. Using Suica, you can travel almost anywhere in Japan, not only on JR trains but also on subways and buses operated by different companies. Additionally, Suica can be used not just in Tokyo but in almost all areas of Japan, including Osaka, as long as automatic ticket gates are installed. By the way, some of you may be planning to take the Shinkansen to Osaka or Kyoto as well as around Tokyo. Please note that in general, you cannot pay for Shinkansen tickets using your Suica balance. To purchase Shinkansen tickets, use Ekinet or Smart EX. Please check this video for more information. Number 5. What to do if I lost.
What should I do if I lose my Suica?
If it is a registered Suica, it can be reissued for a fee of about 1,000 yen based on your personal information. Please note, however, that this only applies to registered Suicas. You don't need to worry about unregistered Suica cards because they are no longer sold. However, if you have your old one, it cannot be reissued since it doesn't require personal information registration. If you have lost a Suica with a significant balance, please visit the Midori no Madoguchi JR ticket office as I mentioned earlier. However, if your balance is less than 1,000 yen, it is generally more convenient to issue a new Suica rather than going through the loss procedure. Number 6. How to return Suica. If you do not plan to visit Japan again within the next 10 years, you may want to return your Suica, as it becomes invalid 10 years after its last use. Here are the steps for the return procedure. First, Suica cards can be returned at the Midori no Madoguchi ticket window mainly located at JR East stations. However, please note that the return must be made in the area where the Suica card was issued. For example, Suica cards issued in Tokyo cannot be returned in other areas such as Osaka or Kyoto. When returning a Suica card, you only need to bring the card with you. In some cases, however, you may be asked to show identification such as a passport. The first step in the return procedure is to go to the Midori no Madoguchi at the station and ask the staff to return your Suica. When returning the card, the initial 500 yen deposit will be refunded and the remaining balance on the card will also be refunded in cash. However, please note that the 220 yen handling fee will be deducted. Therefore, I think you should use up any excess balance at the convenience store or another location before returning the card if possible.
That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like button. See you at the next video.